I wonder if Gino is still sleeping.
Hey, Gina.
Oh, what the?
I woke up.
Why are...
Stop asking. I've gained a call. Understand?
Hey, I'm...
It's okay. I don't know. This ad.
I'm Wong Dong.
I'm Sung.
Like I said, but I'll give you
So,
nothing much. Okay.
a strong. There's even. Okay.
Hey, nice to... Oh, and
This guy.
All right.
looks like they're about...
No.
Get into formation. I'll go aggro and draw their attention.
There's too many of them!
1, on your 11. Use magic.
Yeah, I see it.
An opening. An opening. An opening. It's over. An opening. You can't avoid it!
It was a good fight.
I'm Wong.
I'm Sung.
Like I said over the phone, you won't get any essence stones. Get into formation. I'll go aggro and draw their attention.
There's too many of them!
1, on your 11. Use magic.
Yeah, I see it.
An opening.
To the front. Too slow.
Tearing through.
Time for a counterattack. An opening. You're an unworthy opponent.
Grab all the essence stones.
It was just.
You have good instincts.
Great, let's go together.
Let's go.
Great, let's go together.
Let's get going.
I'll end this quickly. slow.
An opening!
Time for a counterattack. I see it all. It's no use. To the front. Too slow.
I'll shred you!
To the front. Too slow. Time for a counter. Too slow.
An opening! You can't avoid it!
It was a good fight. The size of the dungeon varies for sometimes. Watch out, warning, but
It's really so far.
But there's...
Why would a gate open if there's no boss? We have no choice but to keep moving.
let's try.
This is the end! I'll shred you! This is the end! An opening! An opening!
Time for a counterattack.
An opening! It's over! Tearing through!
I see it all.
Too slow!
You're an unworthy opponent.
Hello. You came later than I expected. I've been waiting.